Hello, I am Arya Shah, and my IEP project topic is Financial Inclusion and Cryptocurrency Central Bank's Role. So, today I want to talk about how cryptocurrency can transform the financial inclusion and the barriers that still needs to be addressed. Traditional banking system often exclude millions due to high fees, geographic limitations, and strict documentation requirements. Whereas cryptocurrencies provide an alternative through peer-to-peer transactions without intermediaries, reducing cost and improving accessibility. In regions like sub-Saharan Africa, platforms like Plexful and local bitcoins allow unbanked individuals to engage in financial transactions. Moreover, borderless transactions means users can send and receive money across the countries without relying on banks, making cross-border remittances faster and more affordable. However, crypto adoption faces challenges. Many unbanked individuals lack digital literacy, preventing them from effectively using cryptocurrencies. Limited internet access across in rural and low-income areas further restricts their ability to participate. Additionally, high volatility in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin make them unreliable for savings or for daily transactions. And infrastructure gaps also pose a problem right now. Many developing nations have few regulated crypto exchanges, leading users to rely on uh, informal markets. When we compare traditional banking system to the blockchain enabled system, we see key differences. Some of them are traditional banking has a high fees, slow transaction speeds, and requires extensive paperwork, whereas blockchain based finance offers low cost for faster transfers and increased transparency. However, to fully unlock cryptocurrency's potential for financial inclusion, we must address accessibility challenges and ensure regulatory frameworks provide security for users. Now, coming to the regulatory challenges and CBDC design consideration. So, cryptocurrency regulations remain fragmented as digital assets operate across borders. Issues like fraud, volatility, and money laundering risk highlights the need for the stricter regulations. Also, the collapse of FTX in 2022 exposed the dangers of unregulated exchanges, while frameworks like EU's MICN, FATF's AML guidelines aim to bring structure. CBDC, which is central bank digital currencies, offer a solution, but their design must focus on financial inclusion, privacy, and interoperability. China's digital yuan allows offline transactions, helping unbanked population. The Bahamas send dollar supports small anonymous transactions while enforcing identity checks for larger ones. Global coordination is a key with institutions like IMF working to harmonize the regulations. Meanwhile, countries are shaping their own policies, such as US exploring a digital dollar, striking the right balance between the innovation, security, and accessibility will determine the future of the digital currencies. Now, coming to the implementation part of CBDCS, CBDCS requires a structured approach, and the first phase involves R&D, the research and development, testing feasibility through pilot programs and collaborating with fintech and academic institutions. Next, we focus on infrastructure development, ensuring secure digital payment networks and interoperability with existing systems. And finally, a gradual rollout will introduce CBDC in urban areas before expanding to the rural regions with continuous monitoring for adoption and technical challenges. Key challenges that include are the cybersecurity, scalability, and public acceptance. And investing in strong cybersecurity, scalable blockchain solutions, and awareness campaigns can build trust. Cost considerations can be addressed by leveraging existing mobile payment infrastructure. To drive adoption, incentives like subsidized transaction fees, telecom partnership for affordable data, and integrating CBDC with financial inclusion program will be crucial. A successful example is the Bahamas Sand Dollar, which provides a secure digital currency access to remote island despite initial adoption challenges. With a phase in the strategic approach, CBDC can revolutionize the digital payment globally. Thank you.